Man, it's Monday in San Antonio, Texas. We had a cold front. I was totally not prepared. So you see me in this. I got my heater on in my room. Um, but yeah, other than that, I'm excited. Today was a really cool day. My homeboy Power came through and Kenyo came through. They got to meet each other. Um, and there was just a lot of things that I was realizing just within myself this weekend. Went to Corpus to perform out there. That was really fun. That was my first time performing in Corpus. I've been out there a couple times, but performing out there is really dope. It was really interesting. We was downtown, and it was so weird. I mean, it wasn't weird because of with the different hurricanes and stuff like that, but and there was a lot of just buildings that were deserted. Um, so I wonder just what kind of things can happen there to be able to make that thrive again. Um, but yeah, the venue we were at was dope. Sunday is rest day, chill day. I had some thoughts when it came to me, and a lot of times we can describe the body as a fortress. And I was coming to some realizations as far as with myself that, looking at it as a house, like just a house, maybe it was run down or different things like that, and you have all the tools to be able to build it up into something even more amazing. And that's when it came to myself, when it came to learning about myself. I'm really big in astrology, so I was looking up like characteristics of Libra rising and uh, having the Cancer sign, the Moon sign in your 10th house, and what that means as far as for me. The 10th house is like how the public sees you. You have the 12 houses, and everyone is like every sign of the zodiac. So with each zodiac sign, when you use like a natal chart and you get like a free report when you have your time of birth, you can get that online. Google free birth charts, free natal charts, and it'll let you know what planets are in each house and what zodiac sign is in each house. So with the Cancer being in the 10th house, a lot of what I'm needing to do is be in the public eye as far as, being able to connect with people, heal people through that. And I do music. I write, and I noticed just throughout my life that I've always channeled my emotions and processed my emotions through my creative endeavors. And it's almost like if I am not creating, then there is a kind of clog in my creative flow. And so that's how I notice whenever I'm in a state where, why am I depressed, why am I not doing, it's usually because I'm not creating, I'm not moving around, I'm not getting that energy out. So with that, I'm wanting to take a lot better care of myself. I went from not eating meat for over 3 years, went back to eating meat, and I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm going back. I recently went and got this blender. So it's a blender that I had before. What I like about this one is the price of it was less than $20, and compared to like a NutriBullet, NutriBullet has like 32 ounces as far as the cup sizes. This has 2 cups that are at 25 ounces a piece, and because I've had the same one, I actually have 4 cups altogether. But this whenever I make my smoothies, like this is enough. Like I do a lot. When I had first stopped eating meat, I used like a $10 blender from Walmart for the majority of the time, and that did the trick. I'm able to blend just so much stuff in it. And plus they have like the cool little vegan protein powders and stuff you can mix in it with it as well. Almond milk. So I'm excited to go back blending again. You know, we got hit by the winter, so I'm trying to, what I really want to do is I just want to make things simple for myself and just gets to working. I wanted to knock this out today. I was doing some editing, doing some planning, and I think the rest of the night, you know, I'm going to do a couple of things regarding my album Digging in the Midnight Garden, and then do some reading, meditation. That was another big thing when looking at my Virgo, my moon sign. So like the main ones are your sun sign, your moon sign, and your ascendant sign. And so my sun sign is Capricorn, my moon sign is Virgo, and my rising sign is Libra. So with moon and Virgo, super analytical, and that's why me meditating is the best thing that I can be doing. One suggestion that I heard on the video that was talking about characteristics is that moon Virgos have to meditate like every single day, and I see why. You know, ever since I was little, before I was even learning about this stuff, I was like a worrywart, like always super overthinking things, and I think as an adult, I'm detaching as far as from overthinking and just having faith, not going into things blindly, but knowing that, you know, there's a pace as far as the way that I need to do things. Another thing is that I need to have routine. There's certain things that come super comfortable. Home life comes super comfortable to me, but the things that I need to do that's gonna bring me success is stuff I'm not comfortable at, but I'm a natural at, which is discipline, which is structure, which is, you know, all these different things. So I'm excited. You know, I think that the rest of the year is going at a good pace. Going to be reaching out to have more shows and just kind of doing the things that I love. So again, this is Mr. Composition, the MC that writes fiction. This is day 15 of Vlogtober.